Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to explore a fundamental question in the software world. Why do developers use GitHub? If you are learning to code, you have probably heard of it, but you might wonder what it actually does. Simply put, GitHub is a cloud-based hosting service for Git repositories. Think of it as a social network for code. It is where millions of software projects live on the internet, allowing developers to store and share their work securely. The core reason we use GitHub is for version control. It acts like a time machine for your code. It saves checkpoints of your work history, so if you make a mistake, you can instantly revert to a previous working version. It also tracks exactly who changed what and when. GitHub solves the biggest headache in programming, working together without stepping on each other's toes. Developers can work on different branches simultaneously. One person can work on a new feature while another fixes a bug, and GitHub helps merge their work together seamlessly. The magic of collaboration happens through pull requests. This is a process where a developer proposes changes to the code. The team can then review the code, discuss it, and ensure quality before it gets merged into the main project. GitHub is not just for code, it is also a project management tool. You can track bugs, feature requests, and milestones using issues. It provides boards to organize tasks into columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. One of the most powerful aspects is the open source community. You can access millions of public projects. You can learn from code written by experts at companies like Google or Facebook, and even contribute your own changes to tools everyone uses. For your career, your GitHub profile acts as a developer resume. It shows your activity graph and your public repositories. Employers often look here to see actual proof of your coding skills and how you work with others. GitHub also handles automation through a feature called GitHub Actions. You can set up robots to automatically run your tests, build your application, and even deploy it to a server every time you push new code. Finally, it provides safety. Storing your code in the cloud means you have an off-site backup. If your laptop breaks, your code is safe. GitHub also scans for security vulnerabilities to keep your project secure. In summary, developers use GitHub for version control to track history, for collaboration to work in teams, to participate in the open source community, to showcase their portfolio, to automate workflows, and to keep their code safe and secure.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.